Hi, it's me, Zhrui, People Brooks, the British Tech Guru. This is the 3-jaw chuck from the micro lathe set, and I need to reverse the jaws, so I'm just going to turn this by hand, keep turning like this. In fact, let's zoom out a little bit. Keep turning by hand. Oops, wrong way. Now, there's a series of concentric, actually a concentric circle here. If you look carefully, let's see if we can zoom in a bit. If you look carefully, you can see this concentric circle in these grooves. Now, it doesn't really matter where you start it, but these lathe jaws, see if we can see them, there we go. Lathe jaws have numbers on them. And when it's this way, when this is down, this will be the number 1. When this is down, that will be number 1. Now what I want to do is to put it like this. So what I'm going to be doing, let's see if I can zoom out again, whoops, wrong way, there we go. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pausing the video for a second while I get my glasses, because I can't see a darn thing. Alright, the video has now been unpaused, which means I have found my glasses. So I'm going to be rotating this a little bit to try and, I'm going to try and put 1 with 1. So we're going to try and rotate this. There we go. Now, which way are they? I think this is number 1. Is that number 1 or is that number 1? Let me look. See, these have the same way around. You notice that the teeth are in slightly different positions, which tells you which corresponds with the grooves. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to put this one in and turn it. Okay, if I get it wrong, I just get it wrong and I have to redo it. Okay, now we'll put number 2 in. And darn it if I'm not doing it the wrong way around anyway. Okay. Number 2 goes in like that. And number 3 goes in like that. Then we just keep turning. And how do we know we have it right? Because it looks like that. 2 with 2, 3 with 3, 1 with 1. I got it right this time. The makers got it wrong. So there we go, just reverse the jaws on this chuck, and that's how, well, it's not simple, it's just a pain in the neck, but it can be done. It doesn't take all that long.